Hey everyone, today I'm making these beautiful open book cookies. Let's get started. I will leave a link to the cookie cutter and all of the supplies in the description. Start by outlining a triangle for the spine and filling it in. Let that dry for a couple of minutes and then fill in the pages of the book with white royal icing. Moving on to the white flower, make 5 dots and then drag them out with a scribe or toothpick to make a teardrop shape. Using green royal icing, make some stems. Touch the tip of your icing bag to the cookie and then lift up as you squeeze and draw a line, and then touch down again when you want the line to end. Using dark green royal icing, pipe a big ball and kind of drag it down into a teardrop shape, and then continue on to make the rest of the stem. Make leaves along the side the same way by making a big ball and kind of dragging it down into a teardrop shape, and continue all the way down the vine. You can use a scribe or a toothpick or even a paintbrush to help shape the leaves or settle down any icing peaks that you have. Continue until you finish all of the dark green leaves and then go back and do the same thing for the light green leaves. Because these are small areas of icing, they have a tendency to crater, so immediately after you finish this, you're going to want to put the cookie in front of a fan or in a dehydrator for a few minutes. My light green icing is a little stiffer, so I have to work with it more to settle it down and make it smooth. Add a purple dot to the center of the white flower and a couple of dots for buds along the dark green leaves. To make the blue flowers, put a big dot of blue icing and immediately put a dot of white icing in the top. Do the same thing for the second flower. Going back to the purple icing, outline the spine of the book and add in the book cover. Now, using royal icing transfer flowers that I made earlier and I will do a video on soon, I'm going to place those on the top of my other branches. Now make some lines for the pages of the book and this cookie will be done. As always, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more cookie tutorials every week, please hit the subscribe button.